The global mean temperature continues to rise little by little as climate changes and the greenhouse effect becomes a bigger issue as time goes on. Washington, D.C. in recent years has had the average winter temperature rise by 2.9 degrees Fahrenheit, which is so close to the cap of 3.6 degrees scientists want warming to stop at. If it doesn't, then the damage becomes irreversible, according to the UN. D.C. is a high-risk area for pollution. It is a heavily populated area with highly populated suburbs surrounding it. This causes a lot of traffic jams and emission of carbon dioxide. If the temperature isn't reduced, it could keep increasing as time goes on, affecting wildlife, plants, and even sea level rise, since it is so close to the Chesapeake Bay, Potomac River, Tidal Basin, and Anacostia River. Water level rising would disrupt the day-to-day of people working and living near DC, which would impact the whole U.S. as this is where the government is located. The rise in temperature here does not have a huge impact on the communities, but it shows how fast the temperature is rising. And if it's like this here, then imagine places like Louisiana, where rising temperatures leading to rising high level could be horrible during hurricane season. The solution is to implement government policy that would help reduce carbon emission, which could help in slowing up the temperatures.